What is the time, does it really matter in terms of timing when you want to file a lawsuit? When do you need to do it?
Well, you mean as far as going to see a lawyer?
Yeah.
Yeah, because, the answer to that can actually change depending upon what it is you're trying to accomplish. If you have a divorce situation that's going on that you know is imminent, that you need a divorce, then you need to go see a lawyer immediately. In fact, really anytime, and no matter what the case, whether it's bankruptcy, divorce, real estate, if you think the need has come where you need to go see a lawyer, chances are you need to go see a lawyer. But let's say about an injury case, it depends on the severity of the injury. If you were in a minor fender bender and you went to the doctor one time and you're working with the insurance company, that's fine. You may never really need to call a lawyer, but it couldn't hurt just to call and make sure that your claim is not better than what you actually think it is. But if there's a serious injury that's involved, you do not need to wait. Whether it's you or a family member, you need to immediately call a lawyer who handles those types of cases, because the other side, they're trained, they have adjusters that are trained in this, that know all the questions to ask and all the things to do to try to minimize the claim or to deny it altogether. So that's why we tell people, especially if it's a slip and fall or a car wreck, you're going to get a phone call within a couple of days from the adjuster, from the insurance company. Do not give a recorded statement. In fact, you don't have to speak to the other side. Just tell them you're busy, whatever excuse you want to make. Just tell them that at least for right now, you do not want to give a statement.
Now, and tell your kids that too, because I remember whenever I was in college, I was in an accident, and an attorney called me, and I was like saying all these things, and my parents were like, "No, you don't ever do that." Not that I had anything to hide, and I would always be truthful, but they said, "Don't do that. They can twist things. You're young. Don't open your mouth. You want to make sure that you talk to somebody."
And always remember this: you have a duty to cooperate with your insurance company. Let's say that you're in a car wreck and you have, say, State Farm, and State Farm calls you and they want a statement from you about what happened and things of that nature and about your injuries. You have a duty to talk to your insurance company. You have that in your contract, and your policy states that you will cooperate with their investigation. However, you don't have any responsibility or obligation to work with the other side. And so if the insurance company from the other side gives you a call and said, "Yes, we want to, we're investigating this accident and we have a few questions to ask you," don't do it.
What do we say? What do you encourage them to say? Just I'll call you back?
Yeah, just tell them at this time, but make sure you get their name, the claim number, and things like that, and then call a lawyer, and then you can handle it from there.